Are you ready to embark on a journey that will revolutionize your business and elevate it to new heights? In today's fast-paced digital economy, staying ahead of the competition is more crucial than ever. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of emerging technologies, exploring how UK businesses are leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, cybersecurity, IoT, digital transformation, blockchain, and 5G to disrupt industries and gain a competitive advantage. But that's not all. We'll also reveal the secret weapon that can help you fuel your business growth: R&D Tax Relief. So buckle up and join us as we unlock the secrets to success in this rapidly evolving digital landscape. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. UK businesses are using AI and ML in a variety of ways to improve their operations and gain a competitive edge. For example, some businesses are using AI to improve customer service by building chatbots that can understand and respond to natural language queries. Others are using ML to analyze large amounts of data and make predictions about future trends. There are also many UK startups and SMEs working on AI applications for various industries, such as healthcare, finance, and retail. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is becoming increasingly popular among UK businesses as it allows them to access powerful computing resources on demand. Many businesses are using cloud services to store and process data, as well as to run applications and services. There are also many UK-based companies providing cloud services and solutions such as AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and Oracle Cloud. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a major concern for UK businesses as they are increasingly at risk of cyber attacks. UK businesses are investing in cybersecurity R&D to protect against these threats, such as developing new encryption methods, intrusion detection systems, and incident response plans. There are also many UK-based cybersecurity companies that are providing security solutions such as Darktrace, Sophos, and Nominum. Internet of Things. IoT is becoming more prevalent in the UK, and businesses are using it to improve efficiency and gather valuable data. For example, some businesses are using IoT sensors to monitor the performance of their equipment and predict when maintenance is needed. There are also many UK-based IoT startups and companies working on IoT solutions for various industries, such as agriculture, transportation, and smart cities. Digital transformation. UK businesses are investing in digital transformation in order to stay competitive in a digital economy. Digital transformation involves using technology to improve operations and customer experience. For example, some businesses are using digital technologies such as social media, mobile apps, and analytics to improve customer engagement. Blockchain. Blockchain technology is being used by UK businesses to improve security and transparency of transactions. For example, some businesses are integrating blockchain technology to create secure, tamper-proof records of financial transactions, while others are using it to create decentralized platforms for sharing data and conducting transactions. 5G. 5G is becoming increasingly important in the UK, as it is expected to be utilized for various services, such as IoT, Industry 4.0, and the automotive sector. UK businesses are working on developing 5G applications, such as autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and smart cities. Why do UK businesses need to invest in R&D? Investing in R&D is essential for businesses that want to stay competitive in a digital economy. By staying up to date with the latest developments and trends and continuously investing in R&D, businesses can create new products and services, improve their operations, and gain a competitive advantage. However, R&D can be a costly endeavor, and many businesses may be hesitant to invest in it due to the associated financial risks. This is where R&D Tax Relief come in. How R&D Tax Relief can help your business. R&D Tax Relief are a government incentive that allows companies to offset some of the costs associated with R&D. In the UK, businesses can claim back up to 33% of their R&D costs, which can help to reduce the financial burden associated with R&D investment. By claiming R&D tax relief, businesses can free up resources that can be reinvested in research and development, which in turn can help to boost their growth and competitiveness. Furthermore, the R&D tax relief can also be invested in other areas of the business, such as marketing and sales, which can help to drive growth. As a final point, if you want to stay competitive in this digital economy, investing in R&D is fundamental. And claiming R&D tax relief can help to boost the growth of the business by reducing the financial burden associated with R&D investment. It's a win-win situation where the government is also willing to support the innovation and development of the business. Therefore, we strongly recommend that UK businesses should consider investing in R&D and take advantage of the R&D tax relief available to them. From rising energy prices to soaring inflation, UK SMEs are grappling with a number of significant business challenges going into the next financial year. You can't control many of these factors. What you can control is how well you improve your cash flow, prepare for the unexpected, and make the right choice for your business's near-term future. This may be one of the most volatile periods in recent history, but we can help you meet your growth plans through tax incentives aimed specifically for your business. It's easy to speak with us. Click the link in the description to arrange a callback from a tax specialist in our team. We'd love to talk to you, so please reach out for complete peace of mind.